Hello everyone, welcome back to Reverse Blueprint. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Fingertip Pulse Oximeter and how this little device has been helping me keep tabs on my blood oxygen levels. In addition to your pulse rate, the product also gives you your SpO2 or pulse oxygen saturation percentage. Now to use the product, you're going to take it in your hands, squeeze on top, then place the clip over your fingertip after pressing the grey button. You'll notice a pulse registering on the screen, and after a while your heart rate will be displayed alongside your pulse oxygen saturation percentage. And the display can be rotated to be viewed by others using the grey button. And there you have it. That's how to use a Fingertip Pulse Oximeter to measure the blood oxygen levels within your system. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button, leave a comment in the section below, and hit that subscribe button to see more of my upcoming videos.